Eric.
If you ride a jeepney, name a reason why you want to go down right away.
Malapit kayo sa baba.
Paya, you want to go down early. Emergency, that you do something.
Kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, magbigay ng dahilan kung ba't bigla kang bababa.
Nadudumi?
Talagang hindi na kaya, no?
Hindi na yung tumataas na yung balahibo.
Nadudumi.
Alright.
Denise, faster play.
Play!
Let's go one to the back and play round one. Angelica, kung nakasakay ka
The driver kept on driving even though you've already arrived at your
May
destination.
nakalimutan.
May nakalimutan daw. Anong bagay ang talagang babalikan mo pag nakalimutan mo?
Siya, charot. Hindi. Baka hindi natin.
Pamasahe pala. Hindi ka. Kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit ka biglang bababa.
Nasira.
Sirain. Nasiraan.
How about na traffic kayo? Like for example, if you're standing on traffic and you're in a hurry.
Hindi Kuya Dong,
Traffic!
Kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, magbigay nga ng dahilan kung bakit bigla kang bababa.
Wala kang pamasahe. 1, 2, 3.
Alright?
Sa nakalimutan, ha?
Let's see if it's there. I hope it's there.
May masamang balak talaga.
Oo, 1, 2, 3 tawag.
Services.
Okay.
Denise, kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, magbigay nga ng dahilan kung bakit bigla kang bababa.
Wala yung driver.
Weh!
Services.
Wala naman yan. Sorry.
Angelica, kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit bigla kang bababa.
Traffic!
Yung nasakyan?
Ha?
Mali daw yung sinakyan. Services.
Ah! That means wrong jeepney. Like for example, if you want to take the jeepney to Robinsons, Manila,
Sa jeep, magbigay
but you
ng
got the
dahilan
wrong
kung
way.
bakit bigla kang
You got the one that takes you to Cubao.
Parang
So you have to go
sketchy
down.
Katabi mong pasahero. Yung mga ganyan.
Oh. Ano klase sketchy? As in, mabaho, gano'n?
Manyak.
Okay, sketchy na. Medyo manyakis yung katabi. Services.
Nah.
Ito na mga lods. Okay, kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, bakit kayo biglang bababa?
May amoy na nabaw. Mabawang amoy.
Okay?
Amoy, Kileo.
Same as the uiiyo to me.
Lumagpas sa pupuntahan. Nilagpasan.
Oy, Gumitoy. Merong
Yan, correct.
emergency. May emergency.
Oh, come on. That's the same, Kuya Mitoy. You have to specify that.
Kung nakasakay ka sa jeep, pagbigay ng dahilan kung ba't bigla kang bababa.
Traffic!
May mabaho.
Wala! It's already the same as iiyo to me. But you just want to go down.
Guys, let's see number 2, please.
Oh yeah, somebody said that.
Pass.
Lumpas, you reached your destination, but the driver did not stop. That's what I said. Traffic. Because you cannot stand it anymore and you're already in a hurry. So you have to go down already. If in case.
Makabawi.